Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 24 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School this week. We had tons of student birthdays this week. We also had a group of our students who were Achieve and Alex Challenge winners for the month of January attend a lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. We also had our Sadie Hawkins dance, and one day this week it was School Resource Officer Appreciation Day. So lots of fun things happening this past week at Simons Middle School. We do have several activities that are upcoming for the week. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 2 o'clock. On Monday, we also have a site-based council meeting. And remember, parents, this is a regular school day. I know originally in our calendar we had planned to be off for this day, but students will be in session on this day. Also, teachers, some of you do have inclusion training on this day, and the whole week is National FFA Week. So on Monday, the theme is America Monday. So students, please wear your red, white, and blue. On Tuesday, we have planned quite a day. It is Tuesday. It is 2/22/22. At 2/22, we will have a dance party. We also are encouraging students to dress in pairs and bring anything but a backpack. So we do have some fun activities planned for students on that day. The theme for that day, if you're not dressing in twos, is Tacky Tourist Day. Also, we have a planned drama workshop with our fifth period drama students by the Little Theater Company, and we do have some inclusion training happening and plannings that day as well. Wednesday, we do have plans for the 8th graders to visit FCHS. The theme for FFA week on Wednesday is Western Day, and the FFA is having a teacher appreciation breakfast for our staff at SMS. Google certification for those teachers who are signed up is going to be in the SMS library on Wednesday at 4 o'clock. Thursday, the FFA theme is Tractor Colors Day. We will have 7th grade PLCs in Miss Wilson's office, and high school scheduling will take place on Thursday, 8th grade students during your Unified Arts class. Also on Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday. We do want to wish a happy birthday on Friday to Miss Chelsea Bowl. Students, it is a club day. We do have an alternate schedule for that day, teachers, so please make sure you take a look at the schedule for Friday. And the theme is for FFA week is blue and gold. Students and parents, also, don't want to forget Miss Kitchen. It is Miss Callie Kitchen's birthday on the 26th, which is this coming Saturday. Also, students and parents, I want to draw your attention to the Scan Me link and the connection. If you have questions for the principal, if you've got comments, want to shout out to your teachers, you can use this QR code. It is a direct link to me, and I do check it each day. So please make sure if you've got questions for me that you ask those and ask the principal. This week, we would like to congratulate Hunter Ham. He is our student spotlight. He is a 7th grade student here at Simons Middle School and a Green Monkey student. He is truly a standout and a leader at SMS. He is also a leader in our classroom. He recently scored in the 99th percentile on a nationwide social studies screener test. He also competed in a class period spelling bee on Friday, and he won first place. So congratulations, Hunter. He loves football and he loves playing center for the Cougars. He's also a member of the FFA, and he is active in 4-H events, including the annual camp and country ham project. He is a member of the Impact Leadership Team at SMS, and he was elected to his peers to be the ongoing speaker for this month's debate. Hunter had the opportunity to travel to the farm machinery show for the school field trip on Friday, but he opted to stay back to fulfill his commitment and responsibility for the debate with his 8th period classmates. He was the opening debater for his team, letting the audience know that there is a difference between mental health and mental illness, and advocating for Fleming County students to be granted mental health days to take off from school. Hunter's a fantastic young man. He's active in Mount Carmel Christian Church and Cougars for Christ. He is always friendly and funny, and he is loved by both his peers and the staff of Simons Middle School. So congratulations, Hunter. We are so proud of you, and thank you for always bringing it. This week, our Achieve 3000 leaderboard, our Monday top scorer was Heaven Finch. Tuesday, Landon Thompson. Wednesday, Emma Adams. Thursday, Heaven Finch. Friday, Jeremy Little. The two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try for 7th grade was Jeremy Little with 9. For 8th grade was Heaven Finch with 16, and Heaven was our top scorer for the week. That is all that we have for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.